Good morning, folks. Hey, just a little bit of a short message on some of the new features that we're adding to the Crashzone, slowly and softly. I don't change anything you do, so no traumas, but just as an example, we're going to go up into settings and into company, and you'll notice down the line we've got a lot of extra new boxes. For example, if we click on the office notes and hit submit, what will then happen is our quotes have then got a notes section right in your face, so we can simply click on that tab and say, yeah, the beer at 12, whatever, new note, beautiful, and then we can go down one or just out of that and it saves it. So that's there. Now, if you want to change it, it's actually on the quote as well. So now we'll just go back up to the front page of Crashzone, and that new note, we can go in there and just delete it, kill it, whatever, if we want to remove it. All right? So that's that part. So once it's in there, it's saved, and it's just a reminder for you for whatever you need. But if you don't want it, that's fine. We'll just go up to settings again, and we go into company, and we go down and we untick the box, office note, remove it, hit submit, and it's gone. So whether you use it or not, it's entirely up to you. So we're just going to do a couple of short videos on some of the things that are, as they have actually happened, not test versions, not... Yeah, so have a look at it. I think you'll love that little note feature. Give it a try.